welcome to my channel. Do we recommend Birdie Fly kit? No. The reason is most of the component arrive assembled bad, and also the quality of the part are not good. Like for example, the receiver and the controller are the cheapest one, and also for example this one, the battery is unbrand. You have no idea where that comes from, and if you bring this up to the sky, it has a problem, you're dead, you know. So not good. You can just buy the RC plane, the kit by itself, and then you pick up the transmitter and also the receiver and even the servo and the ESC and the model and the motor together by your own brand, or the brand you like, or the brand you used before.